KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a real fun one. It's kangaroo sausage rolls with a quick garlic crushed tomato potato. Tomatoes. Alright, let's get on with it. Here I've got some potatoes that I've just halved, right? And I've given those a little bit of a cook for about 15 minutes or so until a skewer just goes through them. Right, get a chopping board, put that on top, and just give them an absolute walloping. Right, just smash those down nice and flat. Right, very simple. We're going to be doing a two-step cooking process on these ones. Right, so just smash those flat. Right, don't worry if they explode. Not going to hurt at all. It just gives more surface area for our garlic flavouring to go on. Right, I've given those a quick flip. Alright, so we've got our cut side up, just like that. And here I've got some butter. Now, what I've done, I've put butter, some crushed garlic, put that in the microwave for about 30 seconds or so, and we've got an instant garlic butter. Doesn't take very long at all to do. Right, pour that all over the top, just like I have done right there. Really simple. They're going off in the oven, 180 degrees. I'm going to cook those off until our sausage rolls are pretty much done. They can sit in there for half an hour easy. Right, here I've got some kangaroo sausages I've bought from my local supermarket. Yes, a lot of supermarkets do have these in stock now. It is more of an accepted meat, for a better word. I am going to show you eventually how to make your very own kangaroo sausages. And no, I'm not going down the street to get the ones that bound up and down our street, and that is no joke. We have kangaroos flying up and down our street, and I live on quite a busy street. Right, so I put that on some puff pastry. I sort of lose train of thought here, and all we're going to simply do is just roll those sausages up in the pastry. So 1.5 sausages is around about the required amount. Now, kangaroo sausages don't sort of split or peel like normal beef, lamb or chicken sausages or pork sausages. They're quite firm, so just leave the casing on and roll them up like that. Right, so very simple. Just puff pastry, store-bought kangaroo sausages. Very simple to do. Put those down. I'm going to cut these up into nice little pieces, right? So those large ones into thirds, and those small ones I did just in half. Right, just give those a bit of a choppy chop, just like that. And if you haven't had kangaroo before, it is an incredibly healthy meat, really high in iron, beautiful lean texture, and very healthy and sustainable too. As I said, I've got them cruising up and down our street, and I'm not joking when I say that. So we've done that. We're going to give those a little bit of a pokey poke, put a couple of holes in the top just to let the steam evaporate, and we want nice crunchy pastry. A little bit of egg wash over the top. That's just a beaten egg with a dash of water or milk if you want, and we're just going to brush those down just like that. As I said, we've already got our oven sitting at 180 degrees. Right, they're going in around about 15-20 minutes or so, and I'm going to make up a bit of a sauce. Use tomato sauce if you want to, but I'm going to use a little bit of cranberry jelly and a little bit of store-bought plum sauce, and this actually works out that you end up with a sort of sweet and tart type flavour to this particular sauce. It just works really nice. Around about equal parts of cranberry jelly and the plum sauce, a little dash of soy, and there you go. They've been in the oven about 20 minutes or so. The potatoes, as you can see, they've got a nice little bit of colour. They've soaked up all that beautiful garlic butter, and there you go. You've got KP's kangaroo sausage rolls with a quick garlic crushed potato with a nice little sauce. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn another little crazy idea that I come up with from time to time, like this one, need to come and join the family, my family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I've tried my kangaroo sausage rolls, my quick garlic crushed tomato potatoes, and I will catch you next time. Bye.